All right. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Kakadash, Barak Thumb, to the elders and apostles, where I give Aqua and I say Shalom. And the Heavenly Father, the true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashwan Kadash Latam, and I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, where I give Aqua once more, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the MOTV news updates. Let me rephrase that. Let me take that back. I meant to say the earthquakes in diverse places as of April 16, 2025 on this Wednesday night. And this is from the latest earthquakes from the earthquake.usgs.gov, and a total of 40 earthquakes was reported from April the 15th all the way to April the 16th. And you had a 2.6 earthquake 15 kilometers northeast of Jal, New Mexico. 2.5 earthquake 42 kilometers southeast of Lee, Idaho. 4.7 earthquake south of the Kermadec Islands. 4.1 earthquake in western Zhejiang. 3.7 earthquake in BC of New Mexico. 4.6 earthquake in Indonesia. 4.9 earthquake in Micronesia, 2.5 earthquake in southeast of Volcano, Hawaii, 5.4 earthquake south of the Kermadec Islands, 5.3 earthquake south of the Kermadec Islands, 3.2 earthquake west and northwest of Petula, California, 2.9 earthquake in Alaska, 3.0 earthquake in Petula, California, 4.1 earthquake in Dutch Harbor, Alaska, 3.6 earthquake in west north of Petro, California, 3.1 earthquake in Toscana, Washington, and a 2.5 earthquake in Toscanski, Washington. And I believe you had a total of 37 earthquakes in that region, even though it was a small magnitude from a 1.7 all the way to a 2.2 and a 3.1 in that region. It says 3.2 earthquake in Cruz Bay, California. And you had a 5.6 earthquake in South Mid-Atlantic Ridge, 4.1 earthquake in Taiwan, 2.9 earthquake in Margaritaville, California, 4.1 earthquake in Argentina, 2.6 earthquake in Port Oswald, Alaska. And you had a 3.0 earthquake, Alaska, 2.8 earthquake in Alaska, 5.0 earthquake in Tonga, 4.4 earthquake in Mexico, 4.7 earthquake in Philippines. And you had a 4.2 earthquake in Fuji Islands, 2.7 earthquake in Alaska, 5.2 earthquake in Alaska. So those was the latest earthquakes as of April 16th, 2025 on this Wednesday night. It's the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. It says, Luke 21 verse 11, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be of heaven. Right, so we're going to be seeing more increasing earthquakes in diverse places, and that's what we're seeing. Second Esdras chapter 9. We'll start at verse 2. Second Esdras chapter 9 and verse 2. It says, then thou shalt understand it is at very same time wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. Why? So the Heavenly Father is going to visit this earth now, so wherever what he made, but these are earthquakes. Second Esdras 9 verse 3. Therefore, when they should be seen earthquakes and upwards be the world. Why? So more increasing earthquakes and upwards be the world. This is the book of Psalms 18 and verse 7. Then the earth shook and trembled, and the fountains also the hills were moved with shaking because it was rough. Right, so that was from the visitation from Heavenly Father Yahweh Himself. And this is Isaiah chapter 28 In verse 2, behold, the power of Yahweh has a mighty and a strong one, which is a tempest of hail and a destroying storm, as a flood of mighty waters, and they overflow and should be cast down with the earth with their hand, right? Because that's a visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh of hosts, with the earthquakes and the storms and tempests right along with it as well too. This is Isaiah 29 and verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts with thunder, with earthquake, and great noise, and storms, and tempests, and flame of fire. Right, so that increasing of earthquakes, thunder, great noise, storms, and tempests, and flame of fire. What's these tornadoes, earthquakes, floodings, thunderstorms, tornadoes, earthquakes, and wildfires, volcano eruptions. That's the visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh Himself. Let me go back to those earthquakes. Right, because you had Fox 13, Seattle. It says you had 37 earthquakes reported in the county of Washington over the past week. And it was a 3.0 earthquake in that region. So we definitely going to be seeing the increasing signs of earthquakes in diverse places. We're going to continue to see more signs of it. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of April the 16th, 2025. On this April the 16th, 2025, on this Wednesday night. So with that, hopefully this was edifying. All praises, glory be to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash, Barakatham to the elders and apostles, wa Akim, Akwaf. Until next time, we'll say Shalom.